Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off always on display on your lock screen on your iPhone. Now, first thing that we need to do is go to your settings, scroll down until you see display and brightness, click on display and brightness. After you click on that, scroll down and here you should be able to see always on display. Now, as you can see, I don't have always on display, but you will have the basically option to put always on display. Now, as you can see, we also have here a couple of other options, but yeah, currently I don't have it always on display. What you can also do is you can also go here and type in lock screen like this, and then you should be able to also do it. But yeah, the only way currently that you can do it is just go display and brightness, and then here you should have always on display, and then just make sure that is turned off. So that's basically how to turn always on display lock screen on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.